You could earn $10 or even $15 for listening to one song, and later you can withdraw your earnings into your PayPal account, Payer account, Payoneer account, and many other wallets. I will also tell you a trick by which you can get $25 for each song you listen. But for that you must watch this video till the end. Step number 1. Open the website named Pixabay.com. Get yourself registered on this website. You can do it with Google account or Facebook account, or by entering email, username, and password. After email verification, you will be registered into this website. And then start listening to music and earn money. For that, click on the music option from here. You can see a lot of music on this site. Click on the music and check whether it's good or not. If you find that the song is quite pleasant and you could hear it again and again, then it's a perfect match. I found this song quite amazing and I can listen to it on and on. You could also search for songs from here. But I want you to do another few steps to start earning money quickly. This website is available in all the countries over the globe. But comment below your country name so that in the future we could upload more new earning tricks for your country. You could also listen to songs from the YouTube audio library. For that, get into YouTube and open the YouTube Studios from the option present over here. Scroll down a little bit and click on the audio library option. You can see more amazing music over here. At the end, I will tell you a secret trick to earn even more money from one song. From the genre, you could see the type of the song, that is whether it's pop or rock or of any other type. You could filter your choice by clicking on the search or filter box and then clicking on genre. You will get to see a lot of choices from the list over here. Choose any song which you like and then get it into your device by clicking on this option. We are now left with only a few steps to start earning money, but before that, press the subscribe button to know more new amazing earning tricks. Step number 2, open another website and this will pay you money. I will reveal the name of this site in a minute. This website will pay you $9, $10, $15 for literally just listening to music. With this website you could withdraw your money into your PayPal account, Payer account, Perfect Money, as Bitcoin and Tether and other wallets. With this website you could earn money without any investment and just by listening to music. By the way, the name of this website is 3upload.com. Actually, in this website you will have to upload your downloaded file which you just now got from YouTube Studio or from Pixabay. For each 1,000 downloads they are going to give you $10 and even $15. For getting downloads from Tier 1 countries like United States, Canada, Brazil, Vietnam, they will pay you $15. For Tier 2 countries like Germany, United Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, they will pay you $10, so on and so forth. Now hold on. I will tell you the trick to get the most number of downloads while you are just listening to music, and also in the end, I will tell you the secret trick to make even more money. Come to the home page of this website and click on the sign up button. Get an account by entering your username, email address, password, and then start uploading your files which you downloaded. Click on Browse Files option, then select the file and write some description. Then click on the upload button and it will get uploaded. You will get the download link here. You could see over here that a lot of people are withdrawing their money into their bank account daily. When somebody downloads the file, this website shows them some ads, and for that, you get paid money without any investment. In a minute, I will tell you the trick to get unlimited downloads. This website is available in all the countries. You can access this website using your desktop, mobile phone, or an iOS device. But comment down the device you use so that we could upload more earning tricks for your device. Repeat the same process and upload as many files as you can. We have almost completed the major work, and we are now left with just 2 more simple things. Step number 3, open the website named Veed.io. Sign up into this website and click on the Create Project option. This is a free website and you don't need to pay any money for this website. But you could generate thousands of dollars just by listening to music by taking the help of this website. Now click on the Upload Files option and upload the music you just now downloaded. Shorten the length of your music from the bottom bar to about 1 minute. Then click on the Elements option and from there you will get the sound waves appearing. Click on it and select anyone from your choice. Adjust the size and then click on the text icon. From there you need to add a text over here. Click on the headline and type the same thing I'm typing over here. Actually, I will be uploading this file link on YouTube and from there I will get a lot of downloads and earn money for free. I have used this method in my second channel and have earned a lot of money. You could also see here on YouTube that lots of people are uploading copyright-free background music and earning thousands of views each day. And from that, even if 10,000 people download the music from their link, they will get over $150 while they are listening to music. Add a background to your text by clicking on the Styles option and then selecting the background. Then open Google and search for an AI-generated listening music image. Download an image from there and upload that image into this website as I am doing so. Increase the size of this image and then drag the image and text duration till the end as I'm doing over here. Then drag the image option to the bottom and the sound wave to the top and adjust the text and image. Now your video is ready over here. We are left with the last step, that is uploading it into YouTube. Export this file and download it onto your desktop. Step number 4, open YouTube and click on the Create button. From there, upload the video file which you just created now. Write a suitable caption and in the description write the same text which I wrote. At the end, I will share with you the trick to earn even more money. I would suggest you write the caption as the best background music. Click on the next button and upload it into YouTube. Now don't forget to add the download link by copying it from the 3upload.com website into the comment section. And you are all done. After doing all the steps sincerely, you will start getting downloads automatically. People all over the world will search for the best background music and they will get your video and download your video also. You could also share this download link into several Facebook groups. You could also share it in your Telegram channels and WhatsApp groups. I have personally used the method of uploading video into YouTube in my second channel and I have received over millions of views and earned a lot of money. Now, as I promised you, I will share with you the trick to earn even more money. For that, copy the link from 3upload.com and paste it into shrinkme.io. And then paste this new link into your YouTube video comment section, for which you will get $10 more for each 1,000 downloads. For withdrawal, click on your account and then you will see under the balance option you will get the request payment option. By clicking on that, you could take out your withdrawal into your PayPal account, Payoneer account, or any other wallets. If you want me to take my total balance into my bank account, then help me complete 2,000 like on this video. Comment below payment proof. I will make an integrated video on the payment proof.